Okay guys, welcome back to TBTC Adventure. Today I'm with my friend John and we are out in the Shropshire Hills. We've got probably about 2.5 to 3 hour hike on a loop, and yeah, the sun's out, the views are fantastic, and it's a little bit windy, but other than that, here we go. Okay guys, as I said before, we've got probably about 3 hours on this loop. So what I'm going to do is I'll run the virtualization so you can see the route, and I'll catch up after. Okay guys, so as I said at the start of the video, we're doing the Stiperstones loop today. So we're going to walk up from the car park through the fields towards the stones. Once we get to the stones, we're going to take some photos, do a little bit of a scramble up on, a little bit of a climb. We're then going to continue along the hilltop and take a left, where we're going to have a really steep descent down along the ridge into the town. We then walk through the town, cut up through the farm and through the fields back to our starting point. Okay guys, so we're approaching a really cool rock formation right now as part of the path. I'm sure it's got a name. I'll put it up on the screen.
Climb the wall.
Had a right little wobble on that, I did.
Yeah, well, this window up, I don't know where you're going.
That was nice and easy. Had a little bit of a wobble. This is going to be really windy, so I'm going to try and shout a bit because you won't be able to hear me with this mic. But we're at the trig point, and the views are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to do a 360 if I can without falling off, because it is a bit, little bit tight up here. So a bit of a 360. So we're about 40 minutes in. As I say, I've got to shout a bit because there's quite a lot of wind. But yeah, so we're headed in this direction, and we turn around. I think we go down the hill and we come back round on ourselves, as I showed on the virtualization earlier. It's going really well. John's not out of breath yet. I am, so he's far fitter than me. But how you getting on? You all right?
I've had a tour.
Yeah. Yeah, he's showing me up here, so.
I'm not as fit as I would tell you to be.
Okay, so I don't know how much you heard while I was up by the trig point, guys, because it was quite windy up there. But yeah, we've probably been walking for just under an hour now. We've still got a fair way to go. To be fair, I think the climbing up and down the rocks is taking quite a lot of time, but it is really, really cool. I've tried to get as much footage of it as possible. But yeah, it's going okay. Okay, so we're about an hour and a half in. You can see in the distance where we've been, just over there. It's going okay. Fitness is good. John, how are you getting on? You alright?
Oh great, it's lovely out here, isn't it?
Yeah. So, yeah, not too bad. As I say, about an hour and a half in. I think, to be honest, I think we've probably only done about a third of it. Because it has took us a little while. Obviously we've been taking photos and stuff, and just sort of taking in the views and stuff, so it's took us a little bit longer than I'd originally planned. Obviously the route plan is based upon sort of constant walking, but yeah, it's going okay. Not too tired, so we're going to press on. So we've changed directions now, guys. So obviously we were up there, we've walked all the way along here, and then we've turned. We're just coming along this path now. Probably about 2 hours in, going okay. My foot is actually starting to hurt, which is a pain, but that's what painkillers are for. John, you doing okay?
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, we've took plenty of photos and chatted a lot of rubbish, but there we go. That's what it's all about. I think we've probably still got about an hour to go. We've got a big descent coming because I think we've got to get down to the bottom down here. Yeah, probably about another, I'd probably thought about another hour to go. It's going okay. I was going to say, fail videos always do great, don't they? I don't think it'd be my last, but I think I might need that first aid kit if I come down on any of this loose rock.
A couple of videos from traction in the A&E.
So this is the descent I was talking about, guys. It's really quite loose and really dry and dusty. So it's only a matter of time before I end up on my arse, I think. But yeah, taking it steady. Hey. A nice little slip. You wouldn't want to do some of this in the wet, I know that. Oh, so I think that's the descent done. I think we're back down at road level. Oh. It's getting nice and hot now as well. You got dial tone?
No, out of order.
Out of order. I was going to say.
Fresh.
It's got power though.
Yeah, it's got power.
Okay, we're on another uphill trail here, guys, and we've just come to a little bit of a clearing. We're just going to turn this round. You can see this path along that ridge there. That's the descent we've just done with all the slippy stones. And one thing I'll say is, when we were on it, it did not look that steep. But yeah, that's what we've just come down. That's why we've both got achy knees and couple of slips as well, but yeah, it didn't look like that on the way down, I know that. That's pretty impressive. We've been climbing this hill for probably about 15 minutes now. The sun's out overhead. It's nice and hot. And this bit hurts. Luckily it's leveled out. We're on this kind of like a little dust road. Don't know how long we've got left. The running bet, John thinks it's about 40 minutes, I think it's about 10 minutes. We'll find out in a minute. Definitely glad we started early anyway.
Yeah, me too.
Imagine starting out in the brilliant sunshine doing that hill. That'd have been bad. Right guys, I think we're on the final straight back to the car. We've probably got another sort of 5, maybe 10 minutes. I think I lost the bet. Yeah, so I'll keep the camera rolling just in case something crazy happens as usual. But obviously this brings us to the end of today's video. Just want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for John for coming along today. He's been doing some really good camera work for me as well today. So you might notice some of the shots are a lot better than what I've normally got. But until next time guys, thanks for watching TBTC Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share them on your social media, and I'll see you next time.